Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns. To begin, gather all your essential financial documents. This includes your W-2 forms from employers, any 1099 forms for other income, and statements for deductions like mortgage interest or student loan payments. Having these ready will streamline the entire process, saving you valuable time and reducing potential errors. Make sure you have your Social Security number handy too. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to file your taxes. You can opt for electronic filing, which is generally quicker and reduces errors, or you can mail in a paper return. Many people find tax software helpful, and some even qualify for free e-filing services if their income is below a certain threshold, often around $79,000. A tax professional can also provide expert guidance. Now it's time to complete your return. Carefully enter all your income information from your gathered documents. Then, identify and claim all applicable deductions and credits. These can significantly lower your taxable income and potentially increase your refund. For instance, a child tax credit can be up to $2,000 per qualifying child. Always double-check every entry for accuracy to avoid future issues. Finally, submit your completed tax return by the deadline, which is usually April 15th. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them on time to avoid penalties and interest. After filing, it's crucial to keep copies of your return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years, or even longer for certain records. If you filed electronically, confirm that your submission was successfully received.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.